There's a reason the bald eagle became the symbol of an entire nation. This bird isn't just powerful, it's a master of the sky. With a grip strong enough to crush bone and eyesight sharp enough to spot prey from over a mile away, the bald eagle reigns over its territory with absolute precision. But what most people don't know? This iconic predator was once on the brink of disappearing forever, and it fought its way back. The bald eagle isn't just a bird, it's a comeback story written in the clouds. Please subscribe to help me reach 1,000 subscribe.